Step 1. Draw eyes. Back quote first, we will take drawing paper. To prevent the drawing paper from moving, tape the four corners of the paper to the board. Then draw eyes very nicely in the middle part of the drawing paper. Draw eyeballs inside the eyes. And make eyebrows with curved lines above the eyes. Step 2. Draw mouth. To draw the mouth, make the English letter S upside down. Draw triangular teeth by making zigzag lines up and down the inside of the mouth. Then draw the tongue to the innermost part of the mouth. Step 3. Draw body. Pull a curved line from above the eyes to the back to draw the head. And draw the neck with another curved line down from the face. Then make the body of the dinosaur very nicely with lines. Step 4. Give shade to the dinosaur body. With the help of a pencil, we will shade the entire body of the dinosaur very nicely. Shade the entire body of the dinosaur, leaving the inner part of the eyes and mouth. Step 5. Color the head. We will give a light brown color on top of the shade given on the head. After giving the color, rub it with tissue paper. Step 6. Color the eyes, tongue, and body. Give black color to the eyeballs and nose of the dinosaur, and the color yellow around the eyeball. Do dark brown color on the tongue, and give black color on the body. Step 7. Make the forest. Make the forest on the right and left side of the dinosaur with green color. Dinosaur standing in the forest with terrible mouth open. Step 8. Highlight the dinosaur picture. Finally, use a black marker pen to very nicely highlight the inside of the dinosaur's mouth, especially around the teeth and body. After highlighting, our drawing is complete. Hope you had no trouble following our tutorial.